Hello, knowledge seekers. This is Gyanisanyasi, where we explore luxuries hotels and uncover insights that can change the way you think. Stay tuned. India doesn't officially have a 7-star hotel classification system, but some luxury properties are often referred to as 7-star due to their exceptional service and opulence. Here's a list of some of India's top luxury hotels that are renowned for their lavish interiors and high-end amenities. Let's begin, but before that, subscribe to stay updated with our latest content and be part of our amazing community. 1. The Leela Palace, New Delhi. The hotel features grand architecture inspired by Indian palaces, with opulent chandeliers, intricate marble work, and luxurious furnishings. Rooms are adorned with antique-style furniture, rich fabrics, and stunning artwork. 2. The Oberoi Udaivilas, Udaipur. This property boasts a palatial design with beautiful courtyards, fountains, and expansive gardens. The interiors feature traditional Rajasthani decor, including intricate carvings, luxurious fabrics, and traditional art. 3. Taj Lake Palace, Udaipur. Located on Lake Pichola, this 18th century palace offers royal interiors with marble floors, ornate ceilings, and luxurious rooms furnished with antique furniture and fine fabrics. 4. The Oberoi Amar Vilas, Agra. Designed to offer views of the Taj Mahal, the hotel's interiors include Mughal-inspired decor with luxurious materials such as marble, rich woodwork, and intricate patterns. 5. The Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. A landmark in Mumbai, this hotel features a blend of Moorish, Oriental, and European styles. The interiors include grand lobbies, luxurious rooms, and exquisite artwork and antiques. 6. ITC Grand Chola, Chennai. Reflecting traditional South Indian architecture, the hotel's interiors feature grand atriums, opulent furnishings, and rich textures. The design includes intricate carvings and elegant decor. 7. The Leela Palace, Bangalore. The hotel offers a blend of traditional and contemporary styles with luxurious rooms featuring elegant wooden furniture, plush fabrics, and artistic decor. 8. The Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad. Known for its regal design, this palace hotel features lavish interiors with grand chandeliers, rich textiles, and period furniture, reflecting the opulence of the Nizam era. 9. Rambagh Palace, Jaipur. This former royal residence boasts opulent decor with intricate Mughal and Rajput architecture, including grand rooms with antique furnishings, luxurious fabrics, and beautiful artwork. 10. The Oberoi Rajvilas, Jaipur. The hotel offers a luxurious Rajasthani experience with its traditional decor, including ornate carvings, rich fabrics, and spacious rooms with private courtyards and plunge pools. These properties are known for their exceptional service and luxurious interiors, making them some of the most prestigious hotels in India. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let's chat about it.